Hey guys, having an issue with, I think, the ribbon cable here and the landing gear. Landing gear, as you can see, is retracted. I'll flip the switch. Okay, only get one comes down. Flip the switch again. Nothing. Until I touch. Okay. Flip the switch. Only one coming down. It's kind of intermittent. Sometimes I'll get the other one will come down as well, but it seems like when I grab the cables up here, you can hear there's a short in there somewhere. So I just wonder if you guys are replacing the ribbon cable or what you guys are doing. Thanks.